Hey, what's up everybody? In this video we're gonna discuss about how to create a BMO digital banking account from your desktop. It's a pretty simple thing to do. All you need to do is to go and open up Google Chrome and search BMO banking account online 2024 and just hit the search button. So go and click on the BMO website over here. So once you go to the website, you will see different sort of options. Just click on bank accounts on the top left corner and go to the BMO digital banking account. So once you click on it, you will go to BMO digital banking. You can enroll now by just giving in the information you have about your account. And if you don't have the account, you can first create the account and then go to the digital banking. It's very simple. So for that, just click on enroll and you will take you to the enrollment of BMO digital banking. So what you can do is to select your account details here. You give your account number, your social security number, and just enter it. So that would be do it and create your online banking account. So I hope you like the video. This is me signing off. Take care. Bye bye.